Come on, let's eat, baby. Come here. Come on, let's eat. Wow, you like it? You like it, hmm? Abay, sugat ka. Oops. Oops. Magandang umaga po. Eat up, baby. Look at your face. It's full of food. Are you full? Are you done? Look at this. Who's going to eat that? Where am I going to put this one? Huh? You're welcome. Look at your face. It's full of food. It's covered by food. It's okay. Hey, kid. Come on. Hey. Kuya, pwede ko bang ilagay dito sa gilid yung tira niya? Baka kasi kainin niya pa ulit. Ay, salamat ha. Eat up, baby. Bye. Salamat po sa Diyos. We have to respect all the crew, especially the owner. Whatever store it is, small or big, private or not, you have to respect those people. Respect is beginning of kindness.